This is Brendon from NewTek Machinery. 2025 was another strong year at NewTek Machinery. We helped roofing and gutter contractors across the country elevate their operations with our world-famous portable roll formers. We've loved seeing your projects and businesses grow. We also continue to support your growth through our video content. This year's videos covered NTM machine overviews, frequently asked questions, industry updates, and real stories from manufacturers and contractors scaling their roll forming businesses. If you're looking to sharpen your skills or plan next year's upgrades, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into the top 5 videos of 2025. Coming in at number 5, Alex highlights 5 reasons why the NewTek Machinery Mach II is a smart buy. Number 1, on-demand customization for exact lengths and colors. Number 2, real cost savings by cutting freight and waste. Number 3, on-site fabrication to speed up installs and handle changes. Number 4, tighter quality control for fewer callbacks. And number 5, expanded opportunities to win more residential and light commercial work. Check out this video if you want to see what owning a Mach II can do for your business. Next up, number 4. Ron Schell, the designer of the first Mach II 5 and 6 inch combo gutter machine, walks you through how this versatile unit works, talks about its key features, and how to set it up for seamless operation. You'll see recommended configurations and accessories, what materials it can run. Watch this video to see the machine in action and get pro tips for efficient, reliable production. Number 3 is next. Dana from Allsteel gives NTM a tour of metal roofing projects around Bonita Springs, Florida, featuring panels formed on the NTM SSQ2. See why coastal contractors are choosing aluminum mechanical seam panels for superior corrosion resistance, durability, and wind performance. You'll also learn how portable roll forming helps crews mobilize quickly, produce custom lengths on site, and rebuild faster after storms like Hurricane Ian. Plus, we got to ride out a boat for the day. Coming in at number 2, Tom compares the Englert multi-panel roofing machine and the SSQ Multi-Pro so you can choose the best fit for your business. We break down footprint and weight, key features, profile flexibility, supporting materials and gauges, controller options, and safety specs. Plus, what you can expect from training and ongoing support. If you want a fair comparison video about these 2 machines, this is your video. And number 1 video of the year, of course, the SSQ3. We unveiled the SSQ3 at METALCON 2025, and it was a huge hit. The SSQ3 Multi-Pro takes everything contractors loved about the SSQ2 and makes it smarter, safer, and easier to use. Whether you're running panels in the shop or on the job site, SSQ3 delivers the accuracy you need, the versatility you demand, and the dependability you expect from NewTek Machinery. Are you ready to upgrade your production? Order yours today. That's a wrap on our final video of the year. We'll be back in 2026 with even more exciting content, spotlighting your projects, sharing tutorials to help you run and maintain your machines, and bringing you behind the scenes here at NewTek Machinery. Kicking off the year, we're visiting Riley Hayes in Little Rock, Arkansas. We'll dive into his business, take a tour of his shop, and take a closer look at the hot mount system in action. Happy holidays. We'll see you in 2026.